Introduction to standing marches.
Standing marches are a simple, low-impact cardio exercise. They involve lifting your knees and swinging your arms as if you're marching in place. This move is easy to learn, requires no equipment, and is gentle on your joints, making it a great choice for beginners or anyone looking for a safe aerobics option.
Benefits of standing marches.
Standing marches can help improve heart health, boost circulation, and build endurance. They also gently strengthen leg and core muscles. Since the movement is low impact, it reduces stress on knees and ankles, making it suitable for all fitness levels. Regular practice can support weight management and help maintain mobility.
How to perform standing marches.
Start by standing tall with your feet hip-width apart and arms at your sides. Lift one knee to hip height while swinging the opposite arm forward. Lower your foot and repeat with the other leg. Continue marching in place, focusing on controlled movements and keeping a steady rhythm. Breathe naturally and maintain good posture throughout.
Tips for safe and effective standing marches.
Wear comfortable clothing and supportive shoes. Begin with a gentle warm-up, such as shoulder rolls or gentle arm swings. Keep your core engaged and avoid leaning forward or backward. Start at a slow pace, gradually increasing your speed as you become more comfortable. If you experience any pain, stop and adjust your form.
Ways to incorporate standing marches into your routine.
Use standing marches as a warm-up, a midday energy booster, or part of a larger cardio session. Try marching for 1 to 5 minutes at a time, several times a day. You can add music or march with a friend for extra motivation. Standing marches are easy to modify and can be done almost anywhere, making fitness accessible.